little bit. Got my peak down to about 2930. It's on a 45 amp hour C-Max with a Singer 320. I got an excess power super bank under the hood. Running on a Powerus 8K at 1 ohm. Got Sound Digital mids and high amp, and Mama mid bass, Mama 6.5s, and some super tweets.
Oh yeah, you got plenty in here, man. You got plenty in here.
A Singer 320.
Oh yeah. The lithium, what kind of lithium back there, right?
It's a 45 amp hour C-Max.
You run the whole truck off a car off of it?
Whole car.
Oh yeah.
Sitting at, I guess it would help if I started it. I thought it was still running. She's quiet, so you can't even tell.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice right there.
Yeah, that thing's great.
And they can put your stuff in there and everything?
Do what?
They can put the words in there and everything?
Yeah. So originally,
cool.
This is from the whole setup was in my old green car. It was a 4-door, and it was kind of themed around Groot. And then I wrecked that one and switched everything over. That's actually why my kick panels are tan, because there was tan interior car. But had to make it work.
Yeah. Same car, man.
Same chassis, just different. It was just a coupe versus a 4-door. So I just kind of made it work.
And you got a lot in this little car, man. I'm really surprised how much you can stuff in these little cars, man.
Yeah.
A lot in them.
It's fun, man. I love it.
Tell them to put the mix down on the floor.
You got some strong voters.
It works out pretty well, man.
Oh yeah, man. You got any plans for what the fish you want to do to it?
What?
You got anything else you gonna do to it?
No, that's pretty much it, man. I got
That thing is strong, man.
yeah, it's basically, like I said, the super banks under the hood, running to the hull, and that basically is just running. That's just running to the power or the fuse box, and basically, technically, it links up at the halt. The power and grounds are running from the casing of the halt and the stud back to the lithium, but technically, it's all in link. So
At least you don't have to run a whole lot of wires. You know, short.
yeah. I got one pass of 1/0 or 0 gauge from the halt back to the lithium, and then to the amps, and then a pass of the 0 gauge to the super bank. Like I said, super banks is basically running my big 3 to my fuse box and everything.
Yeah.
And then everything else is CMAX.
Oh man.
That's why I mean super banks is
thinking, I was like, I didn't think C-Max, everybody run the whole car off of it, the voltage is never that high.
Yeah, it does pretty well, man.
We got a lot of everything.
It'll throw an SRS light because of where I'm charging at, but other than that, it functions properly. Everything's solid.
Yeah, man.
So,
what can I find you at on social media?
Instagram and Facebook. I don't post a whole lot too often, but you know, I'm on there.
Okay, somebody see the vid, I'm sure they'll know it. Team Reckless?
Team Reckless is friends of mine. I'm technically not on the team, but I'm everywhere they are.
That's good enough. That might as well.
Yeah, me and the girlfriend are trying to shoot for Team DC, so I'm actually planning on trying to switch everything out and change up a little bit.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tag them, man. I know him anyway. He'll get the tag, man. I sure appreciate it, bro.
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, I don't blame you.